Hi guys, welcome back to Mel's Kitchen. In today's video I'm going to show you real quick how to make one of our all-time favorite meal, and this is going to be Jamaican's national dish. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make ackee and saltfish, and don't mind if you hear my baby in the background, he's just calling me. Alright, so to get this dish done, here are all the ingredients that you're gonna need. First thing first, ingredient number one, you must have ackee, and this is the ackee that is already cooked. This is the ackee that is already cooked and is ready to go. I'm using just a little piece of hot pepper because I don't want it too hot, and this pepper is also very hot, so this is hot pepper. Here I have some assorted sweet pepper. This is the saltfish, another main ingredient that you're gonna need. Here I have some onions and some tomatoes. I'm also going to be dripping a little black pepper in there, a little black pepper, and oil, which is already over here preheated and is ready to throw in all these seasonings. So let's just jump straight into it. So I'm just throwing these in. We're just going to let these fry really good. You don't want them to be brown though, you just want the color to stay popping. You really don't want nothing in here to be brown, so you just need to pay attention to it and keep a close eye on this, because you just really want your flavors to pop up into this oil and make them still look high in color and really nice. So we're just going to let this fry a little bit. Alright, our seasoning is all ready, and just to the exact right consistency that we want them, let's get a closer look to see how this is looking. Looking really beautiful in that pot, and that's exactly the aim that you're going for, because you don't want them to be brown. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go ahead and add my ackee, and the reason why I'm adding my ackee right now is because my ackee there you go. Just gonna add those ackee in, and then I am going to add my saltfish right on top of that. All of that. And now I'm going to sprinkle some black pepper right over it. And I'm just going to gently mix this together because I don't want my ackee to be mashed out. So I'm just gently mixing that in. And I'm using frozen ackee that I just carry back from Jamaica. And if you guys follow me on our main channel, you guys know that we were on vacation in Jamaica, so I bring back home ackee because I cannot get ackee in France. So this is frozen ackee, so I have to be really gentle with it for it not to mash too much. And that is looking the exact way how it's supposed to be looking right now. Really beautiful with the pop of all those colors. And I'm just going to make this sit on the stove for probably like a few more seconds. I'm just gonna shake it in, no more mixing, because I don't want my ackee to mash out. Just shake that in on low flame, not high flame, just to get everything really nicely. And for the saltfish, if you guys know what exactly saltfish is, then you know that it's a very salt fish. So what I recommend for the saltfish is that you put it in some water overnight before you cook it the next day. Or if you, for time consuming reasons, or if you forget to put it in the water from the night before, you can just simply cook it a few times in the morning or whenever time of the day that you're preparing the saltfish, and you're good to go. Wash it, clean it up, and your saltfish is good to go. So now that my ackee is ready, we're going to have this the real Jamaican way with some fried dumplings that I already went ahead of time and make. But first, let me just show you the end result of this ackee. Really beautiful. So there you go, guys. That's the quick and easy Jamaican national dish, ackee and saltfish. And there is no ackee and saltfish without fried dumplings. So we're going to pop a few fried dumplings right on the side. Ackee and saltfish and fried dumpling is a perfect combination. So there's no ackee and saltfish without fried dumpling. Or if you're having it for dinner, as Jamaicans would have it with we would have it with some rice, and even some ground provisions is just as good with ackee and saltfish. Or if you're like my husband, you have ackee and saltfish alone. So there you have it, guys. That is Jamaica's national dish. Don't this just look really good? I'm just ready to dig in right now. So there you have it, guys. If you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a huge thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new. Catch up and keep up, you guys, and I'll see you guys on the next Mel's Kitchen. Bye, guys. Okay, guys, breakfast is ready and everybody's happy.